Welcome to Booqable. In this video, you'll learn how to schedule and manage downtime for your rental products to make them temporarily unavailable for rent. Scheduling downtime for your rental products automatically updates your availability, preventing double bookings in the backend and on your rental website. To schedule downtime, go to Inventory, and for individually tracked products, you can open the three dots next to your chosen stock item and select Schedule Downtime. Here you can choose a reason for the downtime, being that you need to schedule a maintenance, time to repair the item, or an item is missing. Then you can select the start and end date and time, either starting right now or scheduled in advance. For me, I'm scheduling this bike into a scheduled maintenance, just routine, between Monday and Tuesday next week. Now I can track and manage downtimes from the Downtime tab in my product. And I can also edit the scheduled or ongoing downtimes to adjust the dates, times, or I can set it to cancel if I wish. Downtime periods are shown as unavailable on your rental website for the duration of your downtime. So if I place the same dates that I scheduled that downtime in for this particular product, I can see it is unavailable. And if I check the availability calendar, I see it becomes available again at the end of the downtime. For bulk tracked products, the process is pretty much the same. I can just click Schedule Downtime next to the bulk item and enter how many items I would like to schedule, the reason for doing so, and of course the start and end date and times. For this one, I'm going to have the downtime start immediately. Same as before, the downtime tab under the product will allow you to track and manage the downtimes. And if by any chance your downtime ends early, so you've replaced the item quicker than you thought you would, you can also end the downtime anytime you like by clicking the end button. The Booqable dashboard will automatically highlight downtimes that are starting, ending, or overdue, helping you and your team stay on track. And in Booqable's reports feature, the product performance report will allow you to track how often and how long products were offline using the downtime feature. So you just search for the product and you'll be able to track the downtime count and the downtime duration. This product was only in downtime for a couple of minutes, so the downtime duration shows as 0 hours. But a line graph will appear with the green lines displaying the times the product was with the customer and the red lines showing that when the item was in downtime. And you're all set. You now know how to keep your inventory accurate and your rentals running smoothly using Booqable's downtime feature.